Hello students, welcome back to my video. So in the previous class we have seen the exercise 9.3 completed. Today we'll see the next topic, multiplying a polynomial by a polynomial. Okay, so multiplying a polynomial, and polynomial means multiplying by a binomial and a binomial, or you can say binomial into trinomial. Okay, in this way. So you can see here this is one binomial, and again it is a binomial. So how can you multiply? It is given here, and then in some examples are also given here. Binomial into binomial, this is also binomial, this is also binomial, this is binomial, this is binomial. So all are about binomial into binomial. Next is about multiplying a binomial by a trinomial. That means now three terms. So you can here see binomial into trinomial. So how they are multiplied. So all examples are given here. So please see all the examples by yourself. And now I'm going to start the exercise 9.4. Okay. So multiply the binomials. Here only the binomials given, binomial into binomial. Understood? So let us start question number 1. So first of all, a number 1 number 2x plus 5 and 4x minus 3. First of all, you have to write in this multiplication form, product form. So here no sign, that means it is a multiplication. Okay. Now what you have to do, this term, okay, this term into whole this term. This is the rule. So 2x multiplied by 4x minus 3. In this way you have to write, that means this term will multiply with this whole term. And now you have to give plus sign because here plus sign is there. So plus, and here 5. Now this term is multiplied with whole this term. 5 into 4x minus 3. Okay, in this way. So first of all, this term into whole this term, and this term into whole this term, like this. And whatever sign is there, you have to put the same sign here. Okay. Now multiply one by one, 2x into 4x like this, and minus 2x into 3. So 2x into 4x will be what? 8. 2 4 is 8, and x into x will be what? X square. Okay, like this. And now minus sign is here, put minus sign. So 2 into 3 is 6, and here x, 6x. Okay. Now here plus is there, so put plus here. Now 5 4 is 20, 20x. Now you have to see here minus sign is there, so you have to put minus sign. 5 3 is 15. Okay. Now see whether there is any like term or not. If there are like terms, then you can do the addition or subtraction. Here you can see x square, no x square, but here x and x. So that means they are in like terms. So minus 6 plus 20 x. So what you have to do, you have to minus it. So what is the answer here? Write it, x 8x square. So minus 6 plus 20. That means you have to do the minus, but sign will be plus because 20 is the bigger number. So plus 20 minus 6 is 14. So it is 14x minus 15. So this is your final answer. Okay, in this we have to do the multiplication of binomial into binomial. Now let us take question this 3. Okay, 3 number. Now next 3 number, this is our question. 2.5L minus 0.5M into 2.5L plus 0.5M. So how to solve it? In the same process, you have to solve this term into this term, and again this term into this term. Okay, let's do it. Here you can see this into this term. Okay, and now this into this term. So here 2.5 into L, 2.5 into L, it is what? 6.25 L square. Okay, do not forget to give square because 2 times L is there. Now here 2.5 L into 0.5 M. So it will be 1.25 into LM. So here you can write LM like this or ML like this. Both are same. Now here minus sign. So here 0, because the minus sign is there, 0.5 M into 2.5 L. Again it is 1.25 ml. Okay. Now here you have to be careful that here minus sign is there. So here plus sign is there. You cannot put here plus. Remember it. Because minus sign is there in the outside. So minus plus will be minus. So this thing you have to be careful. minus plus will be minus. Now 0.5 into 0.5, it is what? 25. So 0.25, because point is there. Okay, 0.25, and m into m is m square. Okay, understood? So in this way, now you have to see which are the like terms. See, 1.25 ml and plus 1.25 ml minus 1.25 ml, they are the like terms, but they are opposite sign. Here it is plus 1.25 ml, here minus 1.25 ml. That means they will cancel each other. It will become 0. So you can cancel like this. Okay, it is 0. So final answer will be what? 6.25 L square, and here it is minus 0.25 m square. So this is the answer. Understood? So this is the answer of this question. Now let's do question number 6. Okay, 1 6, this one, and rest are your homework. In this question you can see some fractions are given, so do not fear by seeing the fraction. So 3 by 4 a square plus 3b square and 4 into a square minus 2 by 3b square. So first of all you have to write like this, and you can see here one extra number is there outside. So this extra number 4 is outside this binomial. So first of all you have to multiply this 4 with this number because it is attached with this number. So first of all multiply this 4 with this a square minus 2 by 3b square. So you can see here I have multiplied this 4. 4 into a square is 4a square minus 4 to the 8, 8 by 3b square. Okay, and this is same. Now again same process, you have to start this number multiplied by this number and this number multiplied by this number. Okay, so here you can see after multiplication how to multiply these fractions. See, whenever there is a fraction you have to multiply the fraction first of all. Say 3 by 4 into 4, and this a square into a square will become a to the power 4 because here 2, so they are added, powers are added together. So 3 by 4 into 4, then minus 3 by 4 into 8 by 3. So you have to write the fraction first of all, then a square and b square, then plus 3 4 is 12, a square and b square. So here no fraction, so minus sign, 3 into 8 by 3. So 3 into 8 by 3 and b square is b to the power 4. Okay, now I will make the calculation of the fraction. So 3 by 4 and 4, so this 4 and 4 will be cancel out. Okay, and here now 4 to the 8, it will cancel out, 4 to the 8, and here you can see 3 and 3 also cancel out. Understood? So now we'll write it. So here you can see 3 a to the power 4, and here 3 also cancel out, so 2 a square b square, 12 a square b square, and here 8 b to the power 4. Now see, these are like terms, a square b square, here also a square b square. Now you have to minus it. Okay, so 3 a to the power 4, and here plus 12 minus 2, that means plus 10 a square b square, and minus 8 b to the power 4. Okay, this is the final answer. So this is the important question, long question. So this is the answer of this question. Understood? So I hope you have understood the question number 1. So rest of the questions are homework. This question number 2, find the product. So this is also same like question number 1. So all this question number 2 are your homework. Now question number 3, simplify. So these are also same thing, but little bit different questions are also there. So let's do it. So here in question number 3.1, x square minus 5 into x plus 5 plus 25. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to multiply these two binomials and then you have to add 25. Okay, so by the same process you have to do this number into this number into this number. So you have to write like this, x square into x plus 5, and minus 5 is there, so minus 5 into x plus 5. Now you have to multiply. So after multiplication, x square into x is x cube, x square 5 is 5x square, minus 5x, and this minus plus is minus 25, and here plus 25. Now you can see minus 25 and plus 25 both are what? They will cancel each other, they will become 0. So answer will be what? This one is the answer. So write it nicely. So this is the final answer. Okay, very easy. Now let me do question on this 4. Okay, 4 number. So here this question is a very long question. You can see here this and this you have to multiply, then again plus sign. again this and this you have to multiply, and this you have to multiply. So it is a long question. You have to do it very nicely, very carefully. If any alphabet, any number becomes missing, then it is wrong. Okay, so here you can see I have written a into c plus d, b into c minus d, then a into c plus d and minus b into c plus d, and here I already multiplied 2 into ac plus 2 into bd. Now see, when I open all the brackets, when I multiply everything, now you have to find out which are the like terms and which number will cancel out each other. Now here you can see AC, where is AC? AC, here you can see AC is there, they are like terms. Here also one AC. Now AD is where? Here also AD. But here minus AD and here plus AD. So cancel out now only. Minus AD and plus AD. Both cancel. Now here plus BC. Where is BC? See, BC and here minus BC. So plus BC minus BC also cancel out each other. Now minus BD. So where is BD? So here minus BD, here also minus BD. So they will not cancel out each other. AC you got plus 2 AC and plus 2 BD. Now write the remaining like terms with each other. So here you can see I have written all the like terms AC, then plus 2 AC plus AC, B, minus BD plus 2 BD. Now add all the terms. So after adding you can see AC plus 2 plus AC, that means there are 4 AC. Here it is 1, here 2 and here 1. So 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 1 4 AC, and here minus BD that means here 1 that means minus 2 BD, and here plus 2 BD. Now here also you can see minus 2 BD plus 2 BD is also 0. It will cancel out each other. So the final answer is 4 AC. Okay, so see, very interesting question, very long question. Okay, now I will do question number 6. So this is binomial into trinomial. Now see how trinomial can be multiplied. So in trinomial also you have to follow the same process. So this x into whole this number, so x into this number and plus y into this number. Okay, y into this number, so you have to multiply now all the numbers with x and here y. Here you can see after multiplication x into x square is x cube, then here x square y, and here x y square, here x square y, and here minus x y square, and here y to the power 3 y cube. Now you have to see which are the like terms and which terms will cancel out each other. Here you can see minus x square y and plus x square y, they are same and they will cancel each other because they are having the different sign. Here also you can see x y square, here plus x y square, and here minus x y square, they are also cancel out because they are having the different sign. Okay, so what is remaining now? Only x cube plus y cube. So this is the final answer. Okay, interesting. So in this way you have seen how to solve the binomial into binomial and binomial into trinomial. So the remaining questions in question number 1, 2 and 3 all are your homework. Okay, so in this way exercise 9.4 is complete. Thank you.